Hey, what's up guys? Today, we are going to talk about how to use Bitget to trade cryptocurrencies. Bitget is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that offers users a wide range of trading options. In this video, I will give you a beginner's guide to using Bitget to trade crypto. Firstly, let's talk about what Bitget is. Bitget is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy, sell and trade cryptocurrencies. Bitget offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies to trade and supports various trading pairs. Additionally, Bitget offers users a user-friendly platform that is easy to navigate. The first step to using Bitget is to sign up for an account. Signing up for an account is straightforward, and you can sign up using your email address or phone number. Once you have signed up, you will need to complete the KYC verification process to start trading. KYC is an essential process for any reputable cryptocurrency exchange, and it involves providing personal information to verify your identity. Then the link to register for a Bitget account will be below the video's description and comments. The next step is to fund your Bitget account. Bitget supports various deposit methods, including bank transfer, credit card, and cryptocurrency deposits. Once you have funded your account, you can start trading. The Bitget trading platform is user-friendly, and you can easily navigate it to find the cryptocurrency you want to trade. You can select from various trading pairs, including BTC/USDT, FUSDT, and more. Once you have selected your trading pair, you can enter the amount you want to buy or sell and place your order. One of the essential features of Bitget is the ability to use leverage. Leverage allows you to increase your buying power and potentially increase your profits. However, leverage also increases your risk, so it's essential to use it wisely. Bitget offers up to 100x leverage for some trading pairs. Another useful feature of Bitget is its mobile app. The mobile app is available for both iOS and Android devices and offers users the ability to trade on the go. The mobile app is user-friendly and offers all the features available on the desktop platform. In conclusion, Bitget is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that offers users a user-friendly platform to trade cryptocurrencies. To use Bitget, you need to sign up for an account, complete the KYC verification process, fund your account, and start trading. Bitget offers a wide range of trading pairs and allows users to use leverage to potentially increase their profits. Additionally, Bitget offers a mobile app that allows users to trade on the go. So, start trading on Bitget today and join the world of cryptocurrency trading.